Hello, and a very warm welcome to our channel. Today, I am going to share something with you that will change the way you care for your pothos forever. Have you ever felt that frustration of looking at your plant every day and realizing it simply isn't moving? You water it, you give it light, you care for it with all your heart, but it seems like your pothos is fast asleep. The leaves don't grow, the shine is gone, and you start to think you just don't have a green thumb, right? Well, you can rest easy. The problem isn't you, and it isn't your plant. What's happening is that your pothos has a locked metabolism. And today, I'm going to teach you how to prepare a kitchen secret, something you have in your cupboard right now that will give your plant the life-changing boost it needs. If you apply what I'm going to show you today, in just 7 days, I guarantee you will start to see new shoots emerging and a vibrant green color like you've never seen before. Stay with me until the very end, because I'm not just going to give you the recipe. I'm going to show you exactly why this ingredient works, how to apply it without burning the roots, and most importantly, the common mistake that almost everyone makes, which prevents pothos from growing. The secret ingredient we are going to use to unlock your pothos's growth is cinnamon. Yes, the ground cinnamon we use for baking. But how can a kitchen spice make your plant grow? The explanation is fascinating. Cinnamon is one of the most powerful natural fungicides and bactericides in the world. Many times, your pothos stops growing because there are microscopic fungi attacking the root tips. These fungi are invisible to the naked eye, but they prevent the plant from absorbing nutrients. It's as if the plant is trying to drink water through a clogged straw. When we introduce cinnamon into the soil, it performs a deep cleaning, eliminating these invaders and allowing the roots to breathe again. Additionally, cinnamon contains properties that stimulate rooting. It acts as a natural hormone, signaling to the plant that it is safe to grow and expand. But pay attention, it's not enough to just sprinkle the powder on top of the soil. There is a correct way to prepare the cinnamon elixir for it to be 100% effective. For the effect to be seen in just 7 days, we are going to power up the cinnamon with a second element that you also have in your kitchen. We are going to create a complete nutrient solution. You will need 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon and half a liter of filtered water. The second ingredient is a pinch of organic sugar or honey. The sugar provides immediate energy for the beneficial soil microorganisms that work together with the cinnamon. To prepare it, heat the water, but do not let it boil. When it is warm, add the cinnamon and the sugar. Stir well for about 2 minutes. The secret here is the rest. You must let this mixture sit for at least 2 hours. This allows the essential oils of the cinnamon to be released into the water. After that, strain the mixture using a coffee filter or a fine cloth. What we want is the enriched liquid, without the coarse residue that can compact the soil. This preparation is a vitality bomb. It goes straight into the plant's circulatory system, carrying health from the root to the tip of the highest leaf. Now, how should we apply it? First, choose the coolest time of the day, preferably early in the morning or late in the afternoon. Never apply fertilizers under strong sunlight. Water your pothos with this mixture generously, but without over-soaking it. If your pot has drainage holes, stop watering as soon as the liquid starts to come out of the bottom. Now, here is an extra trick. Take a bit of this cinnamon water and, with a cotton cloth, gently wipe the leaves. This removes dust and allows the plant to absorb some of the nutrients directly through the pores of the leaves. In the first 2 days, the cinnamon will be working in the soil, balancing the pH and eliminating harmful bacteria. By the 4th day, you will notice that the older leaves will gain a greater firmness. They will stand more upright and feel more resilient to the touch. On the 7th day, the transformation happens. Look closely at the nodes of the stem, those small dark bumps. You will see small green tips emerging. These are the new shoots and aerial roots. It is the definitive sign that your pothos has woken up. After this shock treatment with cinnamon, your pothos will need light. Remember that it loves brightness but hates direct sun. Place it near a window where it receives filtered light. Repeat this process once every 15 days until the plant reaches the size you want. I am sure you will be impressed with the results. Nature is generous, and sometimes what we need to have a magazine-worthy garden is right inside our own pantry. If you like these natural tips and want me to keep bringing these kitchen secrets for other plants, like orchids or ferns, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow and reach more plant lovers like you. And now, I want to challenge all our followers. If you are going to try this recipe today and want to see your plant thrive, write down in the comments below. My pothos is going to be giant. I will read every comment and send good vibes so that your garden looks wonderful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any of our green secrets. Share this video with anyone who also has a stuck pothos at home. A big hug, much success with your growing, and I'll see you in the next video.